Welcome to the first video of our Maths No Myths series. Let's make mathematics easy and fun together. Let's dive into our next problem. We have a farmland measuring 77 meters by 56 meters, which needs to be covered with square beds of side 3,500 centimeters. How many beds are needed? The first step is unit standardization. We need all measurements in the same unit. Since the farmland is in meters, let's convert the square bed side of 3,500 centimeters into meters, which gives us 35 meters. It is crucial to remember this conversion. Failing to standardize units is a common mistake that can cost you valuable marks on your exams. Always remember to use uniform units. Performing the conversion first is the secret to getting the right answer. Next, let's sketch the coverage. To cover the area effectively, we determine how many beds are needed along the length and the breadth of the rectangular farm. Looking at the square beds inside, we calculate the requirements. 77 divided by 35 equals 2.2 for the length, and 56 divided by 35 equals 1.6 for the breadth. Some might simply divide the total area of the farm by the area of a single bed, leading to a calculation of 4,312 divided by 1225, resulting in 3.52. However, we cannot use a fraction of a bed. We must determine the beds required to cover the farm lengthwise and breadthwise, and then round up to the nearest whole number. Following our step-by-step solution, we round up 2.2 to 3 beds for the length and 1.6 to 2 beds for the breadth, ensuring total coverage. For the final step, calculate the total number of beds by multiplying the beds needed for the length by the beds needed for the breadth, which is 3 times 2, equaling 6. You will need a minimum of 6 square beds. In this configuration, there will be some overlap or extension beyond the edges of the farm. This is how it looks. If we were to use a smaller square beds, we could cover the area exactly without any extension. Remember, simply dividing the total area by the unit area does not always provide the correct result for real-life problems. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks in our animated Maths for All series.